Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back. So today I'm sharing with you our trip announcement. We are going back to Walt Disney World for the holidays, and I am so excited because this trip wasn't even gonna happen. This trip wasn't even in the air, and it kind of all came together last minute. I was just like throwing things together and seeing if it's gonna stick, and here we are. We're going to Disney World in less than 2 weeks of me filming this video. I am so excited, but it's coming up fast, and I was like, I need to film a trip announcement. We need to do packing, we need to do prepping, we need to figure everything out. And we're driving. We are driving to Walt Disney World, to Orlando, Florida for this trip, which is crazy, but we kind of wanted to do a road trip. We have one family member that's coming along with us, which will make it easier for me to drive because then we could split. But anyways, without further ado, let me tell you about this trip. I'm so excited. And yes, the tree is up. I actually put it up today, so we're still in the process of fluffing. This is hours of fluffing. We are there for 4 days in total, but 4 full days, so I'm really happy about that. We are doing 2 parks. We're going to Animal Kingdom and we're doing Epcot, and then we are going to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. So that's going to be our Magic Kingdom day, and of course, you know, if you know, you know, you arrive at 3:30, so you can get in at 4 o'clock for the party, so that way you could enjoy the park as well before the festivities start. The trip is very budget friendly. We are staying at All Star Movies. We actually really like this resort. It's cute. I mean, I was hoping to maybe stay in Pop Century for the Skyliner just because it's incredible, but this was even more budget friendly, and this is what we were going for. We are just trying to get to Disney on a budget. So we don't have any reservations for this particular trip. I figured we'll just take it as a go. I do feel that this trip is going to be go because we're there for a very limited time, and we're gonna try to maximize the time as much as we can. And I think doing a longer dining experiences in my eyes is going to be a lot of waste of time, so we're just gonna skip all that. As crazy as it is, like, we haven't been to Disney World this year. We haven't gone. We went on our incredible Disney cruise to Alaska. We did have a Disney trip booked in September, but it was right in the middle when the first hurricane came through, and I was like, we're already missing school. What happens if this is going to be a big deal? Flight cancellations, delays, this, that. And I said, you know what, let me just cancel everything. And of course, Disney had like no problems. We had Halloween party tickets, all of that, so they just, you know, reimbursed us for everything. And then this trip just came about. I'm telling you, it was just pieced together. As I've mentioned, we're driving. We did price everything out. We just weren't able to score any good tickets. And we also just really wanted to do a road trip. And because we have another family member that is coming with us and that can help me drive, it's just that much easier. I did drive alone with my kids. I think it was, what, 2 summers ago at this point. I can link that video here or down below. You could check it out. It was definitely so fun. So I don't know the schedule for the road trip just yet because our family member does work, and it just depends when they get off from work, because it could be a long shift, it could be a short shift. So if it's a shorter shift, then we're gonna be leaving probably in the early evening hours, and hopefully we can do maybe like 6-7 hours. But if not, then, you know, we might be just like 3-4 hours in, which is fine as well. We are, of course, planning on stopping. We're not driving through the night, but I just want to get out of New Jersey. I'm from New York City, if you don't know, so we want to pass Jersey, we want to pass Washington DC as quick as possible because there's always so much traffic there. So I'm excited. We're renting a car. I don't know what we're gonna get, but we're renting a car. The kids are super excited. Of course, I'm pulling them out of school. I'm that mom. I don't care. It is what it is. It's only going to be a couple of days. They're excited for Buc-ee's. When we drove to Disney last time, we stopped at Buc-ee's, and that's all my kids talk about, Buc-ee's. Since we also going to have another adult driving with us, I think we're going to stop by at south of the border because when we drove by ourselves, I was like, no, this place is too sketchy. You guys been there when you were really little when we drove, but I'm not stopping there by myself because it's just very sketchy. So this time they really want to stop, and I'm like, okay, we're gonna have another person, so I think it should be okay. But anyway, so that is my trip announcement. It's very short, like I said, but I'm happy with anything related to Disney. So even if we're going there for a day, I'm happy. Like, take me to Disney. It's been definitely a long time. So in regards to my son who has special needs, if you follow my channel, you know that he utilizes DAS Pass, and then all the changes happened this year. I'm happy to say that he was approved for DAS, and that definitely played a very big part in us feeling more comfortable of going. But I'm gonna have a whole separate video on that experience. I'll just say briefly here, like, it wasn't all that scary, but it was definitely a lot of information that they needed. Like, they needed a lot of info. But I'll definitely, I already have the video filmed. I just have to edit it and put it out to the world. But anyways, guys, I hope you stick around. I'm gonna have the prepping video, I'm gonna have packing video, I'm gonna do the nails video. I am just so excited, and of course we're gonna have so much more Christmas content coming, decorating this gorgeous tree. I know we're also in the middle of our Alaska videos. Those will probably get paused at some point in time, and we'll resume after the holidays, after probably New Year's or somewhere around that area, because I want to put out the content from Christmas and going to Disney World. So anyways, this was too much information about everything else. But guys, well, thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited, as I already said 5 times. I just can't wait for Disney Christmas holiday content, and I'm already mentally in Disney, and I can't believe we leave in less than 2 weeks. All right, guys, I'll see you real soon. Bye.